Build your real estate wealth with no upfront cash or credit. Everyone wants to be rich. More money, more freedom, more control over life. But here is the question. What if you have no money to invest in a business? What if one single financial secret could completely change your financial future? Not luck, not buying or selling, and definitely not the hard work of flipping or rehabs. Most people have never heard of the one method used by Wall Street insiders to generate profits of $5, $8, or even $10,000 per deal without spending a single dime of their own money. Part 1. The secret is equitable interest arbitrage. This is the ultimate skill of value creation that requires no investment and no note buying. It is the ability to control real estate assets without ever owning them, many times without ever seeing them. Money is just a result of positioning yourself between a problem and a solution. When you identify a situation and connect it to our network of private investors, you create massive value without any personal risk. Part 2. Why most people miss out. Most people focus on the wrong things like degrees or traditional job roles. They think they need to buy, fix, or manage property to get paid. Because they're trained to being the one who does all the hard work and making very little profit rather than leverage insider systems, they stay stuck in the cycle of trading time for money. They don't realize that simply being the bridge between a property and a private investor is the fastest path to wealth. Part 3. How insider arbitrage works. This technique is used by the biggest players on Wall Street, large real estate investors. You don't do the work, you don't do the rehabs, and you don't use your credit. You simply create an ironclad connection. By using our provided method, you have an irrevocable one-page contract that prevents you from ever being cut out of the deal, no matter who the buyer is or how far in the future the transaction takes place. You facilitate the flow of capital. The more connections you make, the more you earn. It is a scalable skill where you set the deal in motion once and collect the profit. Part 4. How to master this method. Start simple. 1. Learn to identify the asset. 2. Use our proven scripts to secure equitable interest. 3. Pass the opportunity to the private investor network we provide. 4. Focus on the outcome. You are not working for a salary. You are generating $5,000 to $10,000 in profit by simply solving a liquidity problem for the market. Part 5. Why this leads to total sovereignty. Once you understand this insider method, you can apply it anywhere. It removes all dependence on banks, employers, or your own bank account. Even if you started with nothing, you can build a fortune because you know the secret of zero-down value positioning. This gives you total control. Conclusion. There are many ways to make money, but most require your time or your cash. This secret method requires neither. If you master equitable interest, money becomes a byproduct of your network. Stop asking how to work harder and start asking how to leverage the Wall Street way. Once you do that, you're not just chasing money, you are generating it at will.